Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be giving this old table a makeover. I need to refinish the top. We'll end up painting the base. So I'm going to take the base and the top apart so that I can easily stain and finish the top while my wife is going to be painting the base and getting that ready. Now the base isn't built that well, so I'm going to strengthen it up, make a few improvements as well. And then once they're all done, we'll put it back together and this will be our new dining room table. So stick around, see how I do this, and I'll show you guys the finished product at the end. Now the tabletop has been completely sanded down. Now I can start adding the stain onto this wood. Now this wood will not absorb that much. It's a lighter wood. I really want the tabletop to be a little bit darker, so I'm going to put 2 coats of this stain on. Put one on, let it soak in really well, then come back and add another coat, let that dry, and then I can put the clear coat over top of that. The first coat of paint still doesn't completely cover, so my wife is going to end up putting 2 coats on the base and then it will be all ready to go. Once that dries, I can put the top back on after I finish the top. Alright, so for the clear coat, I'm going to be using a polyacrylic wood finish. It's a water-based product, and I'll be putting about 4 coats of polyacrylic on this tabletop. Now I want it to be completely sealed, waterproof, and there'll be food, water, all sorts of stuff on this table. So I don't want that to soak into the wood at all. So 4 coats will be plenty to seal the top of this. And in between the coats, I'll let it dry and then sand down to make sure it's perfectly smooth before adding the next coat. Alright, so the final coat is dried, it's all done. I'm going to take 800 grit sandpaper, which is really fine sandpaper, and lightly sand down the surface of this coat. And this will really just take off any bubbles or imperfections that are on the surface of this finish, and will leave a nice smooth surface. Now I'll take a rag after I'm done sanding, and I'll buff out any of the scratches or scuffs that are left over from the sandpaper, which will leave me with a beautiful shiny surface on top of the surface.
Hey, don't forget to check out some more of my videos. Up in the top right corner, you can click on that link and it'll show you a bunch of other videos that I think you would like. If you did like this video, hit that like button down below. That helps me out a ton, and it helps YouTube know that this is a good video and will share with other people as well.
Alright, so here's the finished table. Everything's just about finished to move it up into our dining room and call it a day. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Even if you skip through the video to see the end product, hope this was helpful for you guys. So it's really nice to see this table go from one that's on the side of the road to now being a beautiful piece of furniture in our house. Alright guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Also hit that bell icon if you want YouTube to let you know when I upload a new video. And hit that like button if you want to let me know you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.